Hello everyone, my name is Neil and welcome to our exam exercise walkthrough from esl-lounge.com. Today we're working through C2 Proficiency, Keyword Transformations, exercise number CPE046. Let's start with question number 1. The original sentence is, electricity is getting very expensive these days. The keyword is cost. And the second sentence is, the blank higher and higher these days. The correct answer is, the cost of electricity is getting higher and higher these days. The phrase, getting higher and higher, directly addresses the increasing expense of electricity. Another example, the difficulty level of these exams is getting higher and higher every year, according to students. Next up, number 2. The original sentence is, unemployment has risen considerably over the last 18 months, and the government is under pressure to find a solution. The keyword is increase, and the second sentence is, the government is under pressure due to blank over the last 18 months. The correct answer is, the government is under pressure due to an increase in unemployment over the last 18 months. The phrase increase in explains that the number has gone up recently, and in this context, is the reason for the government's pressure. Another example, local police are worried by the recent increase in burglaries. Moving on to number 3. The original sentence is, the minister's resignation from the government was caused by the discovery of his role in the financial scandal. The keyword is led. And the second sentence is, the discovery of the minister's role in the financial scandal, blank, the government. The correct answer is, the discovery of the minister's role in the financial scandal led to his resignation from the government. The phrase led to his explains the cause of the minister's resignation. Another example, the discovery that the manager had put in a false expenses claim led to his sacking. Now let's look at number 4. The original sentence is, oh, there you are, I didn't even know you had gone out. The keyword is unaware, and the second sentence is, I blank fact that you had gone out. The correct answer is, I was unaware of the fact that you had gone out. The phrase unaware of shows that the speaker did not know about the action. Another example, John was unaware that his car had been stolen until he left for work. Next, question number 5. The original sentence is, don't get involved in this, John. It has nothing to do with you. The keyword is keep. And the second sentence is, this has nothing to do with you, so blank. The correct answer is, this has nothing to do with you, so keep out of it. The phrase keep out of it is a direct way of telling someone not to get involved. Another example, don't get involved in their marital problems, just keep out of it. Next up, number 6. The original sentence is, I really can't understand why he can't finish the project on time. The keyword is baffled. And the second sentence is, I am really blank to finish the project on time. The correct answer is, I am really baffled that he is unable to finish the project on time. The phrase baffled that expresses confusion felt by somebody. The sentence talks about someone's inability to complete a task. Another example, Meg was baffled that she wasn't chosen for promotion despite obviously being the best candidate. Moving on to number 7. The original sentence is, Mr. Edwards was sacked partly because of his arriving late to work. The keyword is contributed. And the second sentence is, Mr. Edwards' constant lateness, blank, from the company. The correct answer is, Mr. Edwards' constant lateness contributed to his sacking from the company. The phrase contributed to his sacking indicates that his lateness was a factor in his dismissal. It was one of the main reasons. Another example, Susan's father was an actor, and this contributed to her love of the cinema. Finally, question number 8. The original sentence is, you can't just suddenly decide to go on a safari. You need to plan things very carefully. The keyword is spur. And the second sentence is, going on safari isn't a decision you can make blank moment. You need to plan things very carefully. The correct answer is, going on safari isn't a decision you can make on the spur of the moment. You need to plan things very carefully. The phrase, on the spur of the moment, means to make a decision suddenly, without planning. Another example, I quit my job on the spur of the moment the other day. I didn't even think about it. That's all for today from esl-lounge.com. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.